Next we are going to discuss about exercise 5.2 fifth question. Show that the given points are collinear. Given points are collinear minus 3, minus 4, 7, 2 and 12, 5. So the vertices, otherwise the points are, they are given A, B, C. Okay. So given points are collinear means any two slopes are equal means that is the collinear. Okay. Otherwise you have to plot the graph, you have to find out that is the collinear or not, but this is the procedure for find out the collinear. Okay. Slope of first you have to find out the slope of AP. AP is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A value, B value, x1 y1, x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, 2 minus minus 4 by 7 minus minus 3. So 2 minus into minus plus 4. 7 minus into minus plus 3. So 6 by 10. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Okay. The next slope of BC. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. B value, C value. The same thing. Y2 5 minus 2 by 12 minus 7. So 3 by 5. So slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. The given points ABC are collinear. The given points ABC are collinear. Okay. The next we are going to see. Here the 3 points 3, minus 1, A, 3, 1, minus 3 are collinear. Find the value of A. So in before they are given the 3 points, you have to find out that points are collinear or not. Now they are given question itself collinear, but you have to find out the value of A, missed value of A. So you have the same thing, slope of AB and slope of BC are equal means that is the collinear. So slope of AB you have to find out slope of AB, and here I am going to find out the slope of AC. What's the reason I am going to find out? Here you have to find out one A value will come. The next BC means another one A value also will come. So what I say, so here you have to find out next the numbers alone. AC. AC. So slope of AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A value, B value, x1 y1, x2 y2. So what is the value? Y2 minus y1, 3 minus minus 1 by x2 minus x1, A minus 3. So 3 minus into minus plus 1 by A minus 3. So 3 plus 1, 4 by A minus 3. Okay. The next slope of AC. A value is what? 3, minus 1. C value 1, minus 3. x1 y1, x2 y2. So the next one, y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus of minus 1 by 1 minus 3. Minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 by minus 2. Minus 2 by 2. So these two have to cancel. Plus 1 will come. So what is that? Slope of AB is equal to slope of AC of 4 by A minus 3 is equal to, this value is what? 1. You have to do the cross multiple. Here 1 is there. So 4 into A minus 3. This 3 you have to move this side. A minus 3 is equal to 4. So this minus 3 you have to move this side, plus 3. A is equal to 4 plus 3. A is equal to 7. So now we found the value of A. Using that slope values are equal, that is the collinear. Okay. So you have to take that slope of BC, AB and BC also correct. BC and AC also correct. Yeah, which I am taking here AB and AC. Okay. Thank you students.